Alright guys, fixing to go install my flowmaster on my 2014 Chevy Silverado. The 953046 part number was listed as fits this truck, but this one wasn't supposed to, even though they're the exact same dimensions in and out. The only difference being one's black and one's not, and this one is stainless steel and the other one wasn't. So here we go. Alright guys, here's the stock muffler and resonator off my 2014 Chevy Silverado. I painted the insides orange so you could see a little better. But it's a straight through design, so it doesn't hinder performance, just makes the sound a little different. But here's the flapper valve you've all been hearing about, and this is what's blocking your exhaust on the inside. Pretty great idea there, Chevrolet. And now for how it sounds after the Flowmaster Super 40 series Delta Flow muffler got put on, and a straight pipe in place of the resonator. A good one. All right, good. Okay.